break in here, wake everybody up. Okay, they don't want me to really hit these ditches hard because the environmental end of BLM come down on them. So all they wanted was a light this way and then that way. So I can't cut these out like I did out on the desert. I'm hoping I'm not going to get in trouble for this, but I don't know how you can maintain a road, maintain a ditch, unless you get that damn sagebrush out of there. Okay, this is what it looks like. This has been going on all day. This section of the road's been holding up pretty well because it got packed, but you can see there's places it's starting to really come apart. Down at the boat dock, it's that dark black dirt like this. Not a lot of rock in it. It's getting kind of greasy. So, might be holed up at the cabin tomorrow, suffering. Yeah, I know, you're all sick of hearing about what terrible time I'm having in that cabin, but... Oh, man, I'm telling you, this BLM job I got, it just absolutely sucks. I don't know how I'm going to stand this. I'm all by myself. Oh, in this shack. How do you like my shack? The worst part of this job is this giant 103-degree hot tub. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this. This is just terrible. I don't know. What am I going to do? Best show ever.
Yeah? Prowler needs a jump.
Prowler needs a jump there, Norm. So, I'm going crazy down at the lake. Need some action. Just got done watching Fargo. I've been cooped up in that cabin all day long because it's just been raining cats and dogs here, and I still got some spotty thunderstorms moving through, but all of a sudden the winds changed directions, so I don't know, maybe it's turning around and coming back. But Mrs. Paydirt is going to be here tomorrow, and then the sun will come out and be 90. What do you bet? But the surefire way to make sure it rains is bring the water truck all the way up, guaranteed. So I'm going to go back to the cabin and go crazy.